Hello children, good morning. Children, you all will be having friends, right? So, what you will do when if your friend is in need, you will be helping them, right? Right children? The essence of the true friendship is visible or it's estimated when the other friend is in need and we are helping them. Am I right? So then only we can say that is a true friendship. Friendship doesn't mean that we are only playing or jumping here and there or talking or busy in some another game. Right children? Friendship also comes when one of the friend is in help and the other, it's in need and the other friend is going and helping them. Right children? So I am going to tell you one story. Friendship doesn't occur only in between the human beings. There are friends, there are group of friends in the animal kingdom also. Animals also maintain friendships. They don't not only maintain the friendship with that category animals only. That means the lion does not only lion is not a friend to anyone. Of course, he's a lion, right? He's a king. So let's take an example of any other animal like goat. Okay, goat not only maintain the friendship with his teammates, it will also see that the other animals who are in need or who are suitable for its friendship, the goat will go to that animal and befriend it. Befriending means making the proposal of a friendship. So today I am going to tell you a story. In the story, there was a jungle. Okay, in jungle there used to live two friends. One was fox and the other was tortoise. Okay, you will be thinking that what is why the fox and this tortoise are they do not belong to one category and what makes them to be friends. So as I told you, the animals not only maintain the friendship with their companions, they will also maintain the friendship with different kinds of animals. That means other category of the animals. So here the fox and the tortoise, they were very great friends. Tortoise used to live in pond. Okay, fox used to live in a den. You know it, den, right? Fox and these tigers and lions will live in the dens. They usually live in dens. So fox, whenever it finishes its dinner or lunch, this tortoise used to come out of the pond and both used to sit and talk and used to play. Fox was very much active all the time. Fox is a clever animal. Here tortoise is also a clever animal, but when it walks little slowly. So tortoise was a slow walking animal and as well as not only in the walking, so tortoise will understand things a little late. So fox and tortoise daily they used to spend some time together. They used to play, they used to chit chat, they used to eat together. Of course fox food is different and tortoise food is different. So one day what happened, one of the leopard came to the place where tortoise was there. Tortoise and this fox were sitting and talking together with each other. So suddenly this leopard came. By seeing the leopard, this fox ran very quickly. As fox can run very quickly, right? It has went to some bushes and hid himself there. But as you know, the tortoise cannot run fast. It was moving slowly and it was about to enter the pond. But the leopard have grabbed it. It has grabbed it and it was about to twist it and about to eat the tortoise. At that time, the tortoise will be having a shell, right? A shell here. Tortoise will be somewhat like this and it will be having the legs or hands on back side. Right children? So, here this shell is very hard. Okay? This shell is very hard. So when this leopard was about to gulp it, this shell have hurt his teeth. Though leopard was having the sharp teeth, he couldn't eat the tortoise. So suddenly what happened? The other animal. Who's the other animal? Fox. Fox told to the leopard, and you can see that the tortoise is very hard. You do one thing, you drop it in the pond of water, then by soaking up the water, the tortoise shell will become soft, then you can eat it. So leopard also, being stupid, he thought maybe after putting the tortoise in the water, it will become soft and I can eat. So what he did, he have taken the tortoise to the pond and dropped the tortoise in the water. Then what do you think, the tortoise have turned soft or tortoise has escaped? Of course, everyone want to escape from the danger, right? So tortoise have escaped in the pond. It has went deep into the pond. It did not give chance to the leopard to grab it for the next time and eat it. So here to what conclusion we are getting? That means the leopard had helped, the fox have helped the tortoise, right? So here true friendship have paid the tortoise. That means his friend have helped him to save his own life. But here leopard have thought, oh my God, I am so stupid, and it went away. So this is not at all just a story, children. It is a lesson in your Hindi part 2. Dost ki madad. Friends help. Dost means what? Friend. Excuse me. Madad means help. How friends help each other. Open textbook, page number 11. I have already explained you all the synapse of the story. Right, children? So here I will be explaining you only in Hindi. Everyone need to understand. Page 11. दोस्त की मदद, friends help. जंगल में एक तालाब था. There was a pond. तालाब means what? Pond. जंगल में एक तालाब था. उसमें एक कछुआ रहता था. जंगल में एक तालाब था. उस तालाब में एक कछुआ रहता था. There was a pond in the jungle and one tortoise used to live in that pond. पास ही एक मांद में एक लोमड़ी रहती थी. पास पास रहने से दोनों में दोस्ती हो गई. So the nearby to that pond only there was a den. In that den, Lomdi means who? See, you have the meanings here, word meanings in the page number 13. You can see Kachwa, Mad, Lomdi. Lomdi means what? Fox. So in that den, fox used to live. As they used to live very nearby to each other, that's the reason they became very close friends. पास पास रहने से दोनों में दोस्ती हो गई. कछुआ तालाब से निकलकर टीले पर बैठ जाता. उधर लोमड़ी भी अपनी मान से निकल आती. फिर दोनों खूब खेलते और बात करते. So wherever they used to get the time, the kachua used to come out of the pond and sit on the tile. Tile means a rock. There will be rocks, right? So the kachua used to sit on the rock, and at that time the lomdi, the fox, also used to come out, and these two guys used to play and talk. एक दिन दोनों गपशप कर रहे थे कि तभी एक तेंदुआ वहाँ पानी पीने आ पहुँचा. One day when these two guys were talking to each other, gossiping with each other, at that time only the tendua means leopard. Tendua means who? Leopard. Leopard came to the pond to have some water. दोनों अपने अपने घर की तरफ भागे. लोमड़ी तो छलांग मारकर अपनी मांद में जा घुसी, मगर बेचारा कछुआ पानी तक नहीं पहुंच सका. तेंदुए ने उसे दबोच लिया. What happened? So by seeing the leopard over there, suddenly these two guys started to escape from the leopard. But in one jump only, the fox have went inside its den. But the tortoise cannot run fast, right? It was moving slowly towards the pond, but it cannot. At that time, what happened? The तेंदुए ने क्या किया? उसको दबोच लिया. दबोच लिया, grabbed it. Turn the page. तेंदुए ने सोचा क्यों ना पानी पीने से पहले कछुए को नाश्ता बनाकर खा लो. उसने कछुए को खाने की बहुत कोशिश की, मगर खा नहीं पाया. उसके दांतों और नाखूनों की कछुए की सख्त पीठ पर एक ना चली. लोमड़ी उसे देखकर. Now what happened? So he thought, the leopard thought, before drinking water. Actually leopard came to have some water, right? So before drinking water, I'll eat this tortoise, then I'll have water. So what the leopard have done? It had taken the tortoise in its hand. It was about to eat, but at that time, though here the tortoise had a hard shell, and here leopard also have the sharp claws. Claws means what, children? The nails, sharp nails as well as the sharp teeth. It was like piercing its nails and its teeth inside the body of the tortoise. But the tortoise have the hard body structure, hard shell, hardest shell, which is not easily broken. So it was trying hard, but it was not at all of any useful. So the Lomidi, the fox, was seeing from its den what, like, did the leopard have eaten my friend? It was saying in the worry. At that time, the fox have told something to the leopard. What was that? तुरंत कछुए को पानी में डालो, खोल नरम हो जाएगा, तब खा लो. What it have told? You do one thing, dear leopard. You put the tortoise inside the water and it will become soft. At that time, you can eat. So this stupid leopard thought. लोमड़ी की बात सुनकर तेंदुआ रुक गया. उसने लोमड़ी की बात को सही समझ लिया. उसने कछुए को अपने मुंह में पकड़कर पानी में छोड़ दिया. Okay, what this foolish leopard have done? He thought, yes, maybe that fox is telling right. Maybe he's whatever the thoughts he have shared with me, those are right. So what I'll do, I'll put this tortoise in the water. It will become soft. Then I can eat. So it have taken the tortoise with its mouth and it dropped into the water, pond water. So at that time, what happened, children? फिर क्या था? पानी में जाते ही कछुआ यहाँ गया वहाँ गया. उससे जाते देख तेंदुआ पछताने लगा. जाते जाते उसने लोमड़ी की ओर मुंह करके कहा. Now, as the leopard have dropped the tortoise in the water, what happened? The tortoise have went this side, that side. In the wavy length it has went and it has escaped, completely escaped. So by seeing the escape of the tortoise, the leopard felt very much like, oh my God, sorry, I lost the good food which I got. So it had turned to the this one fox and was telling, सयानी लोमड़ी फिर आऊंगा, आज नहीं तो कल खाऊंगा. What he was saying, leopard? You clever fox, I am going to come back tomorrow. If not today, definitely one day I am going to eat you guys. It have challenged and it went away from there. Whatever it is, but the friends have helped each other, right, children? Especially the fox have helped to the tortoise. So how do you? I think you guys have liked the story, right, children? Am I right? You all have liked the story. So do one thing, go through the lesson once again. Whatever words you are not able to understand, you are having the meanings in the word meanings or the new words there. You can learn and simplify the lesson. Not only you, tell to your parents, describe the story to your parents, and try to read each and every word clearly in Hindi. Okay, each and every word. Whenever the schools are going to reopen, I am going to make you all read each and every lesson. So be perfect, read the words properly in English. Okay, children, let's get back in the next video where we will be writing the notes. Bye-bye.